Hi, we just learned that we might have a chance to be on Arctic 15 June in Finland, and I'm Antti from Virtual Dawn. Especially our community. Click the link, vote us. I'm not saying you owe that to us, but we would be kind of very happy and it would benefit you too. Bam, 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 bam. But new fans also absolutely welcome. So why am I excited about what we are doing? Hey, come on. We are semi-open source community driven SDK. And yes, that sounds extremely weird and odd, but new technologies like XR and AI require also way new concepts that enables to create apps with it. So yeah, we are making it possible to make meaningful commercialized XR and AI driven applications with relative ease. And how would I explain this to the grandmother? Okay, hey, grandma, do you know games?
You know I am hardcore gamer, you newbie. Show me example what has been done with your system.
You say you can't do it, you can actually do it with other system. Why? Because it enables you with no code knowledge or low code knowledge or even with a lot of code knowledge make apps that are meaningful. Why? How is it possible that we have been able to do this? Because we are community driven, which means that anyone can enter our system, they can take our system and start to use it with a twist. We are monitoring everything what people do. Okay, this sounds a bit like a dystopia. Well, my role is to be the community manager, so don't worry, you are in good hands. But anyway, we are looking at what you are doing and taking the best parts of that and giving that to the rest of the community. So the rest of the community can then use it, like when a school joins in or a grandma joins in, what they do, we take the best of it and bam, it goes everywhere. So that's how it's exponentially becoming better and bigger and creating better and better apps. So anyway, the idea is that we have a subscription system, we have recurring revenue from commercialized apps, and then hopefully one day we can enable the very big players to create their own metaverses using our system and opting out from the sharing aspect. And yeah, about our team, well, my task is to be exactly what I'm doing right now. Being weird in a park. No. But my task is to be the frontman of the Virtual Dawn and the spokesman of our community. So as you probably figured it out already, we are looking just like our community looks. Well, not, actually, but metaphorically. So I'm trying to create a place where anyone can create, and what is created is being promoted by us. So we help people to get their games and apps and such heard and published, and we also work as a publisher. So my job is to do all this PR and commercial side of things. And then we have very solid 3 other founders who have extremely good technical background and know-how, and that's why you don't see them here or anywhere else, because their job is essentially to be coding at their homes, and they like that. And I can guarantee to you that we are a diverse team with also diverse backgrounds and diverse brains. So we can say quite fairly that we are a diverse team. You ask about why we do this? Well, practically I think that if you really want to give something to the world, it has to be something that we like ourselves, and I dare to say that I'm quite creative person, even though I'm not taking any opinion about that am I good at it. But let's put it this way, I'm passionate about it. So it's been kind of a driving force for me since, let's say, day one. And then I think that if I really want to contribute to the world, I contribute with the things that I find enjoyable and important. And what we do at Virtual Dawn is essentially empowering people to be creative. So that's kind of the driving force why I love to do this essentially. I mean, it's also something that I dare to say for our team. They can of course object if they want, but they've been passionate about it since 2017, and we haven't been having even one day so far that we have thought that is this a good thing or not.